In this video, I want to show you how to create and edit Polygon Shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is this. Come to View and click on Catalog pane. This will open our catalog pane. What we want to do first is to connect to our working folder to create the polygon and edit it. So click on this folder to expand it and connect to your working folder. If no working folder is connected already, you can right click this folder and click on Add Folder Connection. Then navigate to your working folder. In this case, I want to use this folder called Shapefile and click on OK. Then if I come back to catalog, you can see that the folder called Shapefile has been added to my folder connection. So now to start creating polygon, I will right click this folder, right click and come to New. Then click on this option called Shapefile. So this will open this page called Geoprocessing. Under these parameters, the feature class location has been selected as Shapefile, which is the folder I want to work in. Then here, feature class name, let me just call it Polygon. Then the geometry type, click on this drop down and select Polygon. We want to create a polygon. Then here, move down and come to coordinate system. Click on the drop down and select current coordinate system. And of course, if you want to change the coordinate system, you can click on this icon and come here and search for your coordinate system. In this instance, I'm going with WGS 1984 Web Marketer. So that's the one I'm going with. I'll click on OK. So now, to create the polygon, click on Run. This will take few seconds to run. And you can see it has been created. You can see it here. The features has been created. You can see the notification here. So now we can close this geoprocessing page. To start the creation of the polygon, let me zoom in to a particular location here. So I want to zoom in to this place, Abuja. Here in Abuja down to Suleja, I can see some water bodies in this blue color. So let's assume I want to digitize or create polygon around these water bodies. So to do that, what I need to do is to select the layer polygon and then come to Edit and click on Create Feature Class. Click on it. That will open Create Feature Class page. Then I will click on this polygon, click on it, and you have different options, different tools to digitize or create the polygon. However, I'm going with the option called polygon. So I'll click on it. Then I will come to the first water body and create polygons around the water body. I can zoom in more to be able to see the water body. Yes, this is Usama Dam. So let me start the digitizing. So to create the polygon, I'll click like this. Though this is just demonstration purpose, it may not be accurately perfect. So to achieve accuracy, you have to zoom in very well. Now to finish the digitizing or creation of the polygon, you can double click at the edge point, or you can come to this option called Finish. If I click on this option called Finish, you can see that we have digitized that water body here. So the next thing to do now, we can come to the layer of the polygon, right click and open the attribute table. Yes, you can see the attribute table that a polygon has been created. Now to continue the creation of other polygon or water body in this area, zoom in to the next water body you want to create shapefile or polygon around. So let's create for this as well. To finish the creation of the polygon, you can just double click like this. So you can see that that polygon has also been created. So now we have two polygons created, and if you come to attribute table, you can see the two. At this point, once you are done creating your polygon, make sure you come here and click on Save Edit. Click Yes to save your edits. So the polygon you have created has been saved. And suppose you want to clear this selection because this one is still selected, you can click here to clear the selected polygon. Now we have two polygons created. If, for instance, we want to input the name of each of these polygons we have created in the attributes table, so what to do in that instance is to close this create feature page. So once you close it, we can also minimize or close this catalog. Then come here, you see add field. Click on this add field. This will open this field here, and under field name, let's call it name for instance. Then the type, data type, double click here and select text. Then click on this save to save the modification to the table. Once that is done, you can see that the name has been added to our table. Now we can close this field. So the first one, if I select this, you can see that this is the polygon I've selected. Let me clear the selection. Let's assume you want to name them. To name them, just come back here. For example, let's say W1 for water 1 and W2 for water 2 for this second polygon. You can see we have successfully named it. Now another thing we can do is that we can actually calculate the area. So to do that, to calculate the area, make sure you click on save edit. Click yes to save the edit we just made to the polygon. Then if you want to add column to calculate the area, just click on add field. Then here, let's name it as area, and the type, double click here and select double. Then click on save to save the modification to the table. Then after that, we can close this field, and you will see that in the attribute table, a field called area has been added. So to calculate the area, just right click the field and click on calculate geometry. Then the feature we want to calculate is the polygon, and the field we want to use is the field we created called area. Then the property, which refers to the parameter we want to calculate, click here and select area. So then the units of our calculation, let's calculate in hectares. Then after that, click on OK. You can see that the area of each of the polygon we created has been calculated. After doing this, make sure you save your work by coming to projects and click on save. So our project has been saved. So this one, you can edit it as deemed fit. So this is how to create and edit polygon in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.